In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a website template into another WP Engine site, an essential skill if you're looking to replicate your website's design and functionality across different platforms seamlessly. We'll tackle this in a straightforward manner, ensuring you grasp each step clearly as you follow along. To kick things off, you'll need to access your WP Engine dashboard on the source site. This is the site from which you will be exporting your template. Logging into your WP Engine account is your first task, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, it's time to move to the next phase. The next critical step is to export the WordPress theme or template from your source site. To do this, navigate through the WordPress dashboard by clicking on Appearance, then Themes. From here, you'll look for the export functionality. If your theme doesn't provide an export option, you might use a backup plugin for this purpose. These plugins can streamline the process by packaging all necessary files conveniently. Alternatively, for a more comprehensive transfer, you might consider the all-in-one WP migration plugin. This tool is designed to export not just your theme, but your entire site if needed, including plugins and media. Once installed, follow the prompts to export your site package. Having finished the exporting process, it's time to head over to the destination site. You'll need to log in to the WP Engine dashboard of this new site. This site will be the recipient of the exported files. Upon gaining access, check whether WordPress is installed. If it isn't, install it before proceeding, as WordPress is necessary for managing themes and site configurations. Now back in your WordPress dashboard, you can start the importing process. Much like exporting, begin by navigating to Appearance, then Themes. Click on Add New, and subsequently Upload Theme. Here, you'll upload the theme files you previously exported. If you used the all-in-one WP migration plugin earlier, you can restore your entire site by navigating to the import function within the same plugin. Once the theme is uploaded, activate it to see it come to life. Activation is essential for making your changes visible and for utilizing the newly imported functionalities. But the process doesn't end here. For a full replication, you might need to import demo content such as pages, posts, and widgets. This will help your new site mirror the old one effectively. Refer to your theme's documentation for specific instructions on importing demo content, as this can vary depending on the theme's configuration. Finally, do a thorough test of your site. Make sure the layout displays correctly and the plugins and functionalities work as expected. Testing thoroughly ensures a smooth experience for your site's visitors and can help you catch any issues early. By the end of this process, you should have successfully transferred your WordPress theme and, if desired, the entire website onto a new WP Engine site, ready for further customization or use.